Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my new video. So today's topic is how to create a Google Drive link to share files on mobile. So without delay, let's start our video. First, we need to open our Google Drive. Alright, after opening Google Drive, select whichever photo you want. It's up to you which photo you select. Okay. After clicking, look at this three-dot icon above. Click on it. Okay. After clicking, click on the share option here. After clicking, see here below manage access, you will find the not shared option. Okay. So you need to click on it. After clicking, look here below restricted. See, only people added can open with the link. Okay. Change this. To make a change, click on the change option. Okay. After that, you will find the restricted option, only people at can open. Click on it. After clicking, look down here at anyone with the link. After clicking here below the viewer, when you click on this viewer, you will get three options. Okay, you copy on the viewer, will be able to watch the video. They won't be able to download or anything. Okay. So you will use the internet to copy the link and the person you sent it to will be able to watch the video. Alright, then do it and look at the copy here near the general access above. Here you will find the option to copy the link. After clicking, it's up to you. You can send this video or photos, whatever it is. You can send it on WhatsApp or it's up to you. If you send it to someone, they can download the photo, view it, do anything with it. Okay, if you liked my video, please subscribe to the channel, like it and share it.